It looks like we're having technical difficulties from using free software. So the pest analysis covers political, economic, social culture, technology, legal, and ethical environmental. These are used to see which areas are stable for the company to help focus on what needs to change in your environment, different things to lay out the framework for how your company is going to operate. You need to know what things to incorporate into your company in order to have a successful company. You know, which key areas do we need to keep this business solid and moving forward. So you have to be aware of the political environment, the economic environment, the social environment. You got to stay on top of technology. You've got to have a legal team that's working around the clock sometimes to make sure you're covered. Your environment. I mean, Tweetsie Railroad, for example. If it's raining, you're not going to sell any tickets to the amusement park that day. So you have to keep a track of these things too and be mindful so that you can project sales for the next year or year over year. It's all about increasing sales from one quarter to the next. Porter's 5 forces analysis. I think I first came across this in a supply chain class. These are basically Michael Porter had 5 different elements to consider. So it's mainly for products. If you have a new product on the market, are you going to be worried about people threatening your area that you've tried to seek a competitive advantage, your rivals and different things? Are there substitute products available? Can someone switch from drinking Coke to drinking Pepsi? Who has the bargaining power? Is it the customers or is it the suppliers? Is the price of sugar going up? Has the price of sugar gone down? All of these different things, help you see where you're at in your market as far as you and your competitors, because you want to try to maintain a competitive advantage as much as you can. You're always on the defense. And that's pretty much what this is about. And all of these were templates that I found online. Nothing had copyright that I was aware of. In the event that any of this is copyrighted, all the rights belong to the rightful owners. This is for educational purposes only. Thank you.